Hello, welcome. This is Dr. Guillemette, and we are continuing with our Who is Your Favorite series. And today we're doing the Plurality with Elimination Method. Again, we're voting for either Green Arrow, The Flash, Supergirl, or Sarah Lance's White Canary. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so again, today we're going to continue talking about your favorite character in the CW Arrowverse. My favorite for a long time. Last time we looked at the plurality method of choosing who won an election. Today, we're going to look at who will win if you use the plurality with elimination method. Alright, so this is a different method this time. Who's who? So I just wanted to remind you that for Green Arrow, we're using an A in the table. For the Flash, we're using an F. For Supergirl, we're using an S. And for White Canary, Sarah Lance, we're using WC, because I felt like that was the best way to do that, right? So, in the plurality method, one can win without earning a majority of the votes if there are more than two candidates. So here, with 4 candidates, last time, the Flash won, but he did not have a plurality of the votes. So this violates some rules that we're going to talk about later in the voting issues video. But regardless, we want to have a method that ensures that the person that wins has majority support. So in the plurality with elimination method, what we do is remove the candidate with the fewest votes, and then vote again on who remains. We keep removing candidates until there is one candidate that has a majority of the votes. Example, all right? So let's say we take the same 162 CW Arrowverse fans and ask them to rank order the show's main hero from favorite to least favorite. And we have this table of results below, the same from the last video, okay? And we saw that Flash earned 57 of the 162 votes, which was about a third of the total votes, and won using the plurality method, okay? But who would win if we eliminated the least favorite heroes until we got a majority? So that's what we're going to do. The plurality with elimination method declares a winner when one candidate has a majority of the votes. So given we have 162 voters, a candidate will win when they receive more than 81 votes. So we'll stop when a candidate has 81 or more votes. Now, from last time, we got the Flash at 57, Supergirl at 51. Now remember, Supergirl has 51 because she got 45 votes from this group. She also got 6 votes from this group. So I just wanted to remind you where the 51 came from. White Canary had 33, but Green Arrow only has 21. So in this table, we see that Flash has a plurality of votes, but not a majority, not 82 votes. So this means we need to eliminate the hero with the fewest votes. Green Arrow. No, not the hero that started it all. It's sad, but true. And so what we're going to do is we're going to remove all of the A's from the table and recount. So I'm going to switch over to Excel quickly, not because the spreadsheet is needed, but simply because it will be quicker for the video to do it this way. So on to Excel. All right, so here is the table and the votes, right? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to copy the table and I'm going to paste it below. And then basically what I'm going to do is I have to get rid of the A's, right? So I'm going to cut and paste here. I'm going to cut and paste here to get rid of the A. I have to cut and paste here to get rid of that A. I have to cut and paste up here to get rid of those, and then I'm going to cut and paste to get rid of those A's. Now I don't have a fourth column. I just have 3 potential candidates that I am voting for, right? So now, who has the most votes? So let's go ahead and go up. And so we see that, of course, Flash has 57 votes. Supergirl has her, has her 45 and her 6. So she has 51. And White Canary, I'm going to make that just a little bigger so we can see the White Canary. White Canary has the 33 votes and the 21 votes. So she has 54. So what we see here is, excuse me, maybe I'll need to delete that out too. Nobody has a majority, right? We need to have 81 votes, right? So we're back, all right? We can see we still don't have a majority. So we have to keep continuing like this. So I'm going to go back to Excel until we finish up. All right? So I'm going to take this series of, actually, you know what? I'm going to take these, take this whole thing. I'm going to take this whole thing, copy it. I'm going to paste it right here. Okay? And now what do I have to do? I had to figure out who had the fewest number of votes. Supergirl had the fewest number of votes, so I need to get rid of Supergirl. So we're going to take White Canary, and we're going to take care of her. We're going to take both of these and remove Supergirl. We're going to take Flash and remove Supergirl. We're going to take Flash and remove Supergirl, and we're going to take the whole column and remove Supergirl. Okay? So now we can see that Flash has 57 votes, but White Canary actually has 45 plus 33 plus 21 plus 6. She actually has 105 votes, which is greater than the 81. In fact, as a percentage, if we took the 57 and divided it by 162, he has about 35% support, whereas White Canary has about 65% support using the elimination method. So White Canary wins with a majority after elimination. So what's the conclusion here? The plurality with elimination method actually yielded a different hero than previously with the plurality method. So which one is the right way to do it? Okay, the one where whoever got the most support initially, or the one who got a majority after elimination? We're going to go through those two more methods before we talk about the rules we use to determine fairness, okay? But for now, if this video helped you with the plurality with elimination method of voting, that makes me and you very happy. So please share with someone that could benefit. Again, leave a comment with your favorite Arrowverse or DC hero, and I will be back with a new video on the Borda method very soon.